Well, just did a carb rebuild on the blaster because I completely killed the fuel pump diaphragm. Well, I'm in the process of getting her pretty well fine-tuned, as good as I can out of the water, but here it is. Get her fired up for you. Got some water going through. Running pretty good. It was doing the standard bog at high throttle. I think she should be good. Idling a little bit high, but I'm back.